hypocrisy, kucha hapa siku moja after I made a contribution tupotee. Sasa kazi yetu ni story kila siku. No. I want to work with you. And actually, as I told you, Mary, this week, I'll create time to meet with you and your 11 leaders in this church, the leaders of the youth group. Then we work on your program so that I contribute myself and my friends substantively in the manner in which your programs go forward. And then help the church and our wonderful leaders who are here, like Reverend, who are doing God's work in nurturing all of you. It's our responsibility. You are our children. God has given you to us, and we must manage you responsibly and look after you responsibly and do the best that the Lord would enable us to do. Honestly speaking, that's why I always woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning to go to containers to open exams myself, because God has given us children who must look after. And we can't be jokers, who need to do things, mchezo hivi ovyo, that's, kufanya kazi inahitaji unaifanya. You either do it or you don't do it. And then if you have signed up to do it, you do it. I mean, as I keep telling Kenyans, I am ready to do it. And God bless you.